say for the people, I don't know what I was going to say. Woke up late today feeling rough as shit. Nah, to be fair, I weren't even, I had a terrible sleep. Snotting away, throat is writ off. I don't know why my throat is gone, but it's killing me. Ben has been fucking long as usual, so we missed the window. Everyone else is gone. Ben and his Gojek. Driving to the rice terraces, Waterfalls, temples, job lot, and this ride has been absolutely beautiful so far. Lovely day, beautiful day, nice hot sun. We've been driving for 40 minutes, we've got another 40 left, and that's only to the first stop. Then we've got like another 2 hours after that. A lot of driving today, but honestly, driving's one of the best parts. I don't know if you can hear me at all. Go on, Monkey, if you can. Look at the view. Anyway, I'll check back in after. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. It's getting a bit colder down here though. Well, actually a bit chilly. Oh well, who gives a fuck? Everyone's so happy here. They actually are. I nearly died before as well. I was trying to overtake this fucking truck, and he tried to overtake this bike. I was going like fucking 85 kilometers an hour. Come to like a sudden stop. I thought, mate, my heart stopped. Absolutely stopped. I'm shitting my case. I'll tell you what I keep seeing as well. There's a load of fucking like 12-year-olds that are driving bikes. Literally, they're about 12. It's crazy. And then they've got there's like a 12-year-old driving with like an 8-year-old on the back. It's mad. This is more like it. This is the rides that I wanted. Beautiful. Beautiful scenery, mate. Beautiful fucking scenery. Now we're back in the shanty town. I really hope it doesn't rain. You see that up there as well? I don't know if you can... It's in the clouds, I don't know if you can see on this, but that mountain is fucking huge. It's absolutely massive. I think it's the volcano. I think it's Mount Batter. I think. Fucking hell. Where did he spawn from? Or racing in before me. Guys, a muppet kept cutting me off. Fuck him. Yeah, you turn right. Check that. That is massive. You can't even see it. The clouds are blocking it. Tell you what, I think I already said it to be fair, but driving's one of the best bits by far. Just driving around, especially a place like this, like Chiang Mai when I went with Luke. Out of all the things we did, I think the driving around Chiang Mai, coupled with the elephants, is probably the favourite thing, my favourite thing I did. To be fair, I did always want to drive a bike with Luke, and I did always want to drive around Chiang Mai, and I did both together, so that could be a bit biased, but still, just driving around, seeing the scenery, taking it all in. I sound like I'm fucking, I don't even know, but it's just sick. 7 minutes left. I think this is going to be a good view now. Get ready!
Yeah, 3 months. You what?
3 months. What
Yeah.
does it pull out of the out of the ground?
Yeah.
Right. And how much rice is it? One grain?
Yeah, 1 grain. Yeah.
Shit. Wow. So each one of them is 1 grain of rice. Think about how much rice you have on a plate when you're eating. And each one of them is 1. You've got to wait 3 months. Jesus. What a process. No wonder they're so big. I think they have them in. So does all rice come from Asia then? Because you couldn't have this in Europe, could they? Does all rice come from Asia?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Ah. Right. There you go. All your rice comes from Asia. Sound.
Yes, bro.
Yes, brother.
Good.
Very good.
Yeah. Okay.
Woo. What is that?
Yeah.
Volcano?
Yeah, it's here.
That's volcano.
Yeah. Wow.
Ah. Can you go up?
Yeah, it's good.
Ah. So that. I don't know how high it is. Can't fucking tell, but that is a volcano. Nice. Wow. So I reckon that is 1 grain of rice. I think. I'm not sure. Because surely the whole pod isn't 1 grain. Like that whole bunch. Surely that's not 1 grain. To be fair, if you look at the size of the fucking, like, all of that, for, I don't know if you can see on this, but even all the way back there, everything you can see right now is rice. Just a shit ton of rice. Is it going to rain?
Yeah, it's rain.
Heavy? A lot of rain?
Yeah.
Oh. Oh dear. That's the rice terraces complete, done. Done them. Rice terraces, mate, completed it, pal. We are so high up here. Look at that. So this is Ulun Danu Beratan Temple. That's it. That's our man. It's absolutely freezing. Driving up there, like, we're so high up right now. I don't think you understand. And it is absolutely freezing. So cold. Beautiful though. Very, very nice. I don't even know how they've got a lake this high up. Like, we're so high right now.
I know.
And they've got like a full-on fucking lake. This guy's also recording. Like he's never been here before. On Grab Driver. So, giving him the experience as well. It's fucking go right now. I also feel like I've got frostbite in my finger. I can't actually feel my finger. My index finger. I can't feel it. But beautiful. I genuinely, how high are we right now? Let me have a check. We are currently 1,235 meters up, and there's a like full-on lake. Like how? It's a fucking big lake as well. Very big lake. I don't. Lots of fucking words. Where do you reckon these are from? I reckon Nepal. They look very small. The whole fucking thing is beautiful. Bali is just beautiful. Very aesthetic. They've done well. Shame this Grab driver doesn't really speak English or understand it. So I can't really talk to him. I've been asking him a few things, but he's not really understanding. I'm so clogged up. I don't know what it is. I don't know if I've got a cold or what. But my throat's fucked. My nose is fucked. So my eyes. Barely fucking see. When I'm driving, it's risky business. Well, genuinely, I can barely see. But you know, a bad day in Bali is better than a bad day in England. You know what I mean? And to be fair, I wouldn't even say it's a bad day. I'll show you one last time. I think we're gonna get some water, maybe a quick bite. I'm not too hungry yet, so I don't know about the bite, but yeah. And then we're heading to the next stop. Next stop, Handara Gate. I think that's just the same as like what it is here. Like, you know, when we first walked in, there's like fucking that portal is literally there. Portal looking thing. And it's just a big one of them, and there's probably going to be fucking 3,000 people wanting to take a picture. So I might be a bit fag-upped. Bagels, eggs, ego, kege. Yes, sure. Fucking hell, I've just been. Took a picture. Jesus Christ, and completely forgot. Oh, there's something really not wrong with me. Might be my hay fever, to be fair. To be fair, that is definitely what it is. Tickly throat, nose is going, and my eyes. It's hay fever. What we're talking about? Fucking. Look at all these nerds anyway. I just went to the front, took a picture and went. They didn't look happy, but this is Handara Gate. Very good view, to be fair. And that's it. That's Handara Gate. There's nothing, nothing else to show you really. 50,000 I paid to look at that, and I'm not being funny. I came down here first. I got to about here, and he said nah. And I thought there was more to it. So then he told me to go back round. I went into the car park, and then he made me pay fucking shit. And then he made me pay 50k, which is what? It's like £2, but still, it's not the point. I already seen it. Fucking scammed. Daylight bloody robbery, that. I'm not holding the camera. I'm definitely holding the camera way too close to my face. This is the new spot. On the wrong settings as well. What a dickhead. Next stop is the Waterfall. 20 minutes away. I'm getting even colder. I've genuinely got frostbite in my fingers. I actually can't feel my fingers. Yeah. I shall see you at the waterfall. My dogs. Look at all the monkeys. Some wild fucking monkeys, mate. Cha 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 cha. How the fuck are dogs this high up? Where the fuck is their home? Where are they going to? Where are they sleeping tonight? You know what I mean? Tell you what, these two bastards behind me. One, they're slow as shit. Two, they don't fucking speak. Speaking to myself, speaking to myself all day. What a view though. We got some more monkey. Yes sir. Tell you what, I'm getting even colder. I am fucking freezing, mate. Freezing. We are 5 minutes away from the Waterfall. Very nice road. I can't lie, the roads here, yeah, this drive, all the roads have been better than the roads in the UK. Look at this tarmac. This is just some fucking, this is some back road, mate. Just some random back road, and it's fucking tarmacked and nice. Like, fucking hell, drive down that road at where that Ashfield nursery is. Worst road in Preston, mate. running low on storage, boys and girls. We've got 10 minutes of footage left. I'll try and make the most of it. I am fucked. I keep saying it, but I actually am. My fingers are even worse. They're like, in person, that finger's like blue. It's actually going blue. It's fucking freezing. Fingers are freezing. I think you can actually get in this waterfall, but I'm really cold, so it's probably not a good idea. But we might do. I'm hearing it, so. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Little granny. Hello. Oh, she's not keen. Maybe she can't see me, to be fair. She looks a bit fucking... She looks a little bit old. Hello.
Hi.
Hello.
Good luck.
Thank you. Hello. Fucking hell, you can get bikes down here, yeah. Hello. Oh.
This is a bit of a walk.
Best fucking not be. Can't be arsed with that. Ready to go home now.
She just said good luck.
Oh shit, she did, to be fair. Oh, it best not be. I don't know if the audio is going to pick this up, but listen to the sounds, like, so loud. Fuck the chicken. So many sounds right now. When I was in Chiang Mai with Luke, yeah, we got this, we were meant to stay in like the town bit, but we were like fucking an hour away from like civilization. We was in the middle of batshit fucking nowhere, mate. Literally. And at night, it was like this on crack times 10. It was so fucking loud every single night. It was just sounds upon sounds, just animals making noises. Usually I like shit to go to sleep, me like like rain or some shit. These plants are really not helping me right now. Usually I like sounds and shit to get to sleep, but that was crazy. Absolutely crazy. Chiang Mai was fucking sick. You know what as well? We got a ped. First day, yeah, Luke wanted a bigger bike. We got this ped. Well, I got a ped. It was a 150. Smallest bike you've ever seen in your life. It was tiny. Absolutely tiny. I had a massive bag on. Like a huge rucksack. He's got his bag. So he sat like literally at the handlebars. He sat on the handlebars pretty much. I'm on backup bike. I've got his rucksack on the front of me, my rucksack on the back, and my like it was a big backpacker's rucksack, and his was like a bigger one than usual, but it weren't as big as mine. And we're going like fucking 60, 70 miles per hour down these fucking roads. I've got nothing to hold on to. It's a bit nippy setting off as well, so he starts and I'm like fucking hell, nearly dying. It was sick, to be fair. Quality. Shout out Luke. But the sounds are crazy, man. Like, what is that? Can you hear that?
Yeah.
What is that? Is that a bird? Jesus Christ, whatever it is, it's fucking a strange creature. Oh. There is one waterfall. My finger also about to... Oh, get a room. Fucking snogging. Fucking hell, they're eating each other alive. What the fuck's going on? That is fucking sick. That's fucking cool. I can't lie. Pretty cool fucking waterfall, mate. Yeah, man. Seen it, done it, been it. Yes, sir. I've done it again. Fucking walked off and then forgot to check it on this. Quality. Fucking beautiful. Yes, sir. Oh, such cool waterfall. Oh my god. So beautiful, yeah?
Yeah, beautiful.
Yes.
Nice,
Woohoo! Fuck you, I'm fully about to die. I'll tell you what, I consider myself to be quite a fit individual, but this walk is a fucking killer. Jesus Christ. Lord have mercy. One walk like fucking never ending, mate. So steep as well. Out of breath, my legs are hurting. My throat's doubled down on being fucked. Nearly there though. Home stretch. Last 100 metres. On the last 20 metres. Even better. Bad man whip. Serious whip.
Make sure you got your signals first,
We're up. VIP living, baby. Come on. Hi. You can't complain, man. Bumbo clock. Some big waves here, you know. Massive. Nice little breeze as well. Yeah, man.
Do you reckon that's just... Do you reckon it's just lifting the infection?
Oh my god! That is fucking... Bro, that's infected.
Do you reckon that's lifting the infection out? Bro.
Maybe, yeah. No, bro, if you don't... You'll have to get your toe chopped off, bro.
You don't reckon that thing's just lifting it off?
Yeah, that's disgusting. Bro's toe's infected. That's a bad. Yeah, baby! And you show son! Kyle! Come on, Brad. Show us something, lad. Fuck out, show us something, lad. B-Day bike. How do you reckon this seat? Sure. Ah, they've got like a little line at the front. Yeah, man. Food's good as well. Food was good from here. Get in the mixer. Oh my god, the app is fucking coming off. It's too windy. Oh, it's okay, I see it. Tequila! Glasses have been robbed. Are you ready? They're here. Woo! Thank you. Thank you. Huh? I don't know what she's asking for. I think she wants paying. No idea. Yes, brother.